Okay, so it is a beautiful rainy day in Vietnam. I'm trying not to get soaked on here. We'll stand underneath this tree here. So yeah, when it rains in your face. It rains sideways, it rains upwards. I'm sure you know what movie that's from. Let's go underneath the tent. Alright, can you see me now? Alright, so yeah, there's a view for you. So we're in the dungeon, we're in the rain. I love Vietnamese rainy days. The Vietnamese rainy days are just the best. Sometimes it makes me feel like I just want to walk and just get soaked and just walk and walk and walk. But just look at this beautiful sky. Look at that. Beautiful. That's that beautiful Vietnamese rain. Alright, I should probably get inside here. We're getting soaked. Yeah. So here's how you come up, and there's another motorcycle. So I just went and got a bowl of pho. I couldn't sleep. It's like 6:30 in the morning. So if you go all the way over there, there is a beautiful building that has like this weird pho that has like an egg in it and some good stuff. Hey, just look at it. I love that feeling. Watch. I'm just gonna do. That is peace. You know, when I was young, I would play in the rain. Just go out and play in it. Actually, in New Mexico, I would do it. I have a fond memory of playing in the rain. And you just get yourself soaked. So the idea is you just run out here, try not to get my phone too wet, and you just play in it. You just run. You just spin. And you just say, rain on me. I challenge thee. Dun, dun, dun. If only it would rain forever. I wish every day was like this in Vietnam. It makes me feel so alive. Now I haven't went to sleep yet, and now I don't want to go to sleep because I'm just happy. So anyways, yeah, we'll go for a walk. I'll talk to you underneath my little tent. So we're gonna try to navigate and walk as we do this. So, yeah, this is the first time that I can remember it raining. It's been a pretty dry season in Vietnam so far. And yeah, for some reason I just couldn't sleep. Maybe it's because I heard the rain. Some stuff's been on my mind, trying to stay positive, but the rain really lifts my spirit. It's like that snow, you know. Just look. Who thought? You know, you ever think in my life I'd get rained on in Vietnam? And all this rain's probably coming from China too, so it's just fascinating. Just fascinating. Okay, I'm gonna get off here. I'm getting soaked. So, peace. Thank you, rain. Let's get the camera wet and see if I can ruin it. I love it. Alright, I'm going. Oh, hello, bro. Oh, look. And look at my motorcycle sitting there looking all cool. Oh, hello, beautiful. How are you? So this is the lobby. So the apartments, that used to be my bed. It was super uncomfortable. Super uncomfortable 2 years ago. Thankfully, I bought a more comfortable one. And then you just go up the stairs. And that leads you to my area. I feel good about the rain. I feel good about today. Just look at that. That's mine. That's mine. And this is my world. This is my life. This is what I fought for. Yeah, when it rains in Vietnam, it's beautiful. This building here, they're constructing something, and the way they do it is very different. If you notice, everything is concrete here. Concrete and rebar. So if you move to Lào Cai, if any of you future teachers want to move to Lào Cai, expect, this is what it looks like when it rains. This is what some of your housing might look like. I don't want to go back inside. Alright, I'm going.